So, babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday si Glenn Eric Orcales sa October 24, 2024. So, pre, ah, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come. Yun na, nice to see your vlogs on TikTok and Facebook and other social media platforms. Glad to know you're enjoying life as well as I am. So, yun na nga, lahat sana ng blessings is dumating sa'yo ngayong birthday mo and in the years to come, at saka sana wag mong pababayaan din yung health mo. Hindi naman tayo parating, alam mo na, katulad ng dati. So, padaan lang para bumati and continue to be happy and kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, sana mas masaya ka pa at mas lalong sumaya ka pa. So, yun lang.